Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. So let's get into it. First of all, open a browser and navigate to web.telegram.org. Log into your Telegram account. Open the menu by selecting the three horizontal lines in the top left of the app. In the menu, select Settings. In the Telegram settings, select Privacy and Security. Scroll down and select the checkbox next to Disable Filtering. You can now close the settings and can access any content on Telegram that was giving you the cannot be displayed error. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.